Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again. In this video of the ITRXCEL course, Eve and Ash will give us some Excel tips that can help us improve our productivity, also highlighting some common issues, starting from adding functions to the quick access toolbar.
Okay, let's see how it works. You would notice that there is no option to use a data entry form in Excel. It is not available in any tab in the ribbon. Therefore, you will have to first add it to the quick access toolbar or the ribbon. You can follow these simple steps to add the data entry form option to the quick access toolbar. Right-click anywhere on the existing icons in the quick access toolbar, and then click on Customize Quick Access Toolbar. In the dialog box that opens, navigate to Choose Commands From, and then select the All Commands option from the drop-down. Scroll down the list of commands, and select Form. Click on Add button, and then click OK. You should now notice the form icon in the quick access toolbar.
Now Ash will show us how to fix some merged cells common issues.
Merged cells in Excel spreadsheets can cause you problems when you come to create charts and to filter data. Now in this example you can see that I'm in cell B19 and C19. The text week 1 has been merged across into those two cells. And because it was set up like that, I then went on and did the same thing to these cells below once I'd calculated the formulas. And then when I had to create my chart, I selected the cells that I needed, like that, and then I hit F11, and it created this chart here, with gaps in between each column. And those gaps are the merged cells, rather than my chart looking like that, without any gaps. Now, the best thing to do is to unmerge the cell by coming up here to the ribbon and unmerging. And then from here, you do a right click and then you format the cells. You choose that option, you click on the Alignment tab, and from this first drop down, we're going to choose Center Across Selection. And we click OK. So now the text independently sits in cell B19, and if I go into the cell next door, C19, we'll see that there's nothing there. But it looks like the text has been merged across those two cells. But if I needed to edit the text, I'd need to come into this cell B19 and make a change. Not that you'll see all that text. Okay, so I would need to change it on that side of the cell. Once you'd unmerged the cell, kept the two cells selected, I'm just doing the command again, format cells, from here choose Center Across Selection, and clicked OK. Rather than having to go through each of those steps again, what I would now do is click into week 3 and now press the F4 key. The F4 key is a repeating command, and it would run all those things that I just did, unmerging the cell and then centering across selection. I would just click into each cell, press F4 and keep going, pressing the F4 until I ended up with this example up here, where each cell looks like they've been merged, but I've just done that center across selection. Now I'm going to create my chart, but the thing is you need to be on this side of the cell and not that side of the cell as you pick up the cells that you need for the chart. So holding down my control key, and I'm just going to pick up the left hand side of the cells. I would press F11, and this is the chart that I would end up with.
Now Ash will show us how to fix common issues with data labels overlapping.
Hi, and welcome to this bite-sized session on how to rectify problems with data labels overlapping. The thing to do when this happens is to click on the Design tab, over to Change Chart Type, click on there, and then change it to a bar, either by using the scroll bar or clicking on bar. select the first one that's been selected there for you, and there you go. You may need to do some other adjustments by just dragging it down a little bit, maybe moving axis titles about. But then once we're happy with that, we just leave it and we save it.
Thanks, Ash. You are a star. In the next video, we will cover exercise 16, where you will practice further best practice in quick access toolbar personalization, freezing and merging cells, the use of the filter, data validation lists, and how to set the page for printing. Everyone, let's keep up with the good work. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.